All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Speed3570 here, coming back at you with another upload. I know it's been a long time, it's been a while. I've been really busy with some personal stuff going on in my life at the moment, so just haven't had the time. I do like making videos, and I will be bringing more content because the Subaru build is off and running. Which brings us to today's video. It's not a huge unboxing, it's only gonna take 30 seconds, but we did get our invidia downpipe. We got the 2-bung. We're gonna go wideband with it at some point. Gonna get some more go fast goodies before we do that. But yeah, we have our divorced wastegate 3-inch catted downpipe. I did go catted just because I don't want to do a lot of more extra work when it comes to go inspection time. So nice. So you open the box up, it's got your gasket. I will need to go get another gasket for I'll look and see if it's in the box, but for where the downpipe meets the back of the turbo, I'm gonna want to get another gasket for that before we install this. So there goes my hopes and dreams of installing this today, but it does look very nice, good quality stuff. We do have our other gasket to meet up with the cat back, and this is my actually first time looking at this thing, so it is just a surprise to you as it is to me. So let me start for the crazy camera angles. We're just gonna go rip skeeting into this here. Maybe if it's not inside in the bag wants to come undone. Ah, here it comes. All right. And get the bubble wrap off. Maybe. Ow. There we go. Oh yeah. There she is. Big old cat, but that's okay. Wideband bung there. Looks all great and dandy. So I'm super excited. We're going to see here when I can get another gasket in for this, but we'll definitely try to get this in and on as soon as humanly possible. And we'll also probably end up sitting down. We're gonna sit down and order this gasket and maybe even some more goodies. So far we have Perrin cold air intake, Cobb access port, and my nameless cat back, which has yet to show up. But it's okay. I was in contact with the manufacturer, and it's just wasn't aware that they were hand built per order. So we have the axle back done. They have that all welded up, boxed up, ready for shipping. They're just doing the mid pipes, waiting for the all the mandrel bends to come back for the mid pipe and weld those up. About last week they said they'll be rocking them out in about 2 weeks, so it should be next week of sometime when we go ahead and see this. So we'll see what it brings, see if it gets here within 2 weeks or not. Probably 3 weeks, but that is what that is like at the moment. So we're gonna have to go in, order a gasket for this, and it looks like, I don't even know, we might have to just use the stock hardware because it just came with hardware to bolt it up to the cat back. So we'll see. But this will be a fun install. This will be good video, and we're going to be air intake, turbo back, and then we're going to be ordering TGVs, turbo inlet manifold, a new crank pulley, and headers and up pipe. So that's going to be probably cap off what we're doing for power mods for the time being, and then we're going to jump in and start just making it look sweet. And not a huge point people really probably want to see, but I made it a point that we're going to walk through this build together, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Also, just wanted to say we have another little update that we got from the charger down at Fast of Westchester. So everybody knows my car's down in Fast Westchester getting worked on. It's been gone for 3 weeks, 4 weeks now. I called to get an update, and they have the motor in the machine shop, and the owner of the machine shop had some family problems that he could attend and wasn't in, so it was taking a little longer to get back from the machine shop. But that was about a week and a half ago now today. So I'm hoping within the next week or so we'll be getting a call to go down and pick her up. And that is something that I am super excited about. And then I don't have to worry about I can throw the parts on my Subaru right away, and I can drive this until we get all the power mods to the Subaru and can get it down for a tune. So I just really want to wait to start really throwing money at the Subaru until it is okay to sit for a few days, because I don't want to risk blowing this thing up. I have had some bad issues with STIs, blown ringlands in the past, and I'm not trying to have those problems with this car. So that is the one problem with the Subaru, is when you get into boost, when you're running off these off-the-shelf maps, which are complete junk. I didn't want to do it in the first place, but I need a car to drive around. So, and I didn't want just boxes of parts sitting around my house for, you know, however long. So unfortunately, the downpipe's gonna have to sit around for a little bit until we can get the gasket in and probably get the cap back in, because I am not going to run it open downpipe, even though that would be cool. We'll have to see how it goes. I don't know if it'll bolt up to the stock mid pipe or not. We can check and see, but other than that, it's just gonna be a waiting game, and I hate playing the waiting game. So we might just see what we can do and try to get things done. But other than that, I just really hope that we can maintain all of these stock bolts for the downpipe to go into the turbo, because they didn't send any, and I might just order a new hardware kit just in case we snap a few things off. But we'll see. I don't think it'll be that big of an issue, but oh well, we'll see. We will definitely see. So anyway, charger update shouldn't be too long. Subaru leans out real bad anytime you get in the boost because of the off-the-shelf map, and we're going to be running a stage 2 off-the-shelf map until we can get it down and get tuned. So things are coming along, just not as quickly as I'd like. Of course, when you're waiting on somebody else's time, kind of sucks. Kind of wish we could have got the tools and got the know-how around to do the charger ourselves, but I just didn't want to have or do something wrong and have to fix it and do all this other stuff. So this way it's getting put together, tuned, broken in, and I'm going to be able to rip ski on it right as soon as it gets out of the shop. So it'll be a fun time. But we're going to go down, we're going to order those parts, at least the gasket. I don't know if we're going to order any parts today or not, but we shall see. We shall see. It's not out of the question yet. All right, guys, so we are here in my basement, sitting at the good old workstation, and we are sitting here and we're about to go ahead and order our gasket for the downpipe. They did not send with the kit a gasket for turbo to downpipe, a turbo to downpipe gasket, a new one. Always a good idea to replace your gaskets if you're, you know, changing out the exhaust. No use in, you know, trying to salvage or use a spent gasket, especially if it's been on the car for almost 50,000 miles like this one has. So we're going to go ahead and get this Grimspeed turbo to downpipe gasket that we are going to order here. I'm not going to order any bolts. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad to where we're going to snap bolts taking them off. Fingers crossed. I'm just going to, you know, take a leap of faith and say that everything's going to hold up. Hopefully that's the truth and we don't have any problems, because that's just going to be more, you know, work. But I did say earlier in the video that we might be ordering a second part. Not in this transaction, but we did indeed go ahead and order another part. I had to order it sooner than I wanted to. I was going to do it for the video, but I looked and it said they had limited availability in the part, so I just wanted to make sure I got it, so I ordered it. But we ordered it's the red, because I want to go for kind of like a red accent piece underneath the hood. So we went with the red Perrin turbo inlet manifold. So just getting little bit by little bit, part by part. It's a slow rolling build, but hopefully by the end of next week we'll have the turbo inlet manifold, we'll have the cat back finally here. We'll do an unboxing of that, and then we'll roll right into the install of that and the downpipe all in one video. Maybe we'll see how long the content rolls, how long the video is, and that will be the determining factor of whether it's all going to be one video or not. So we have more content coming up, and we should be receiving some parts, and then it's dyno time, just because I don't want to run all those mods with just the off-the-shelf Stage 2 tune from Cobb. Not doing it, not dealing with it, just getting it done right, and then we'll go and order more parts down the road. This is where I need your guys' help. Should we go for more fast parts? Go with the TGVs, the headers, and the up pipe, and then start making it look nice? Or should we go get it tuned and then roll right into getting some exterior mods on the car, get my carbon fiber hood, ground effects kit, get some new, suspension pieces, and really start to make the car come full circle, make it a little nicer, a window tint, do an install video for window tint, and just, see how it goes. It's a build that we're doing this together. So with that being said, comment section down below, tell us what you think, how you like everything's going so far, and what numbers you think it's going to make on the dyno, because that is going to be one of the next few episodes, one of the next few videos that we do is going to be taking the car down to get it dynoed. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And also, I did finally get that Instagram page up, SpeedFreak570 on Instagram. We'll be giving some small updates on there and some videos of some of the progress as things go on. So go follow me on Instagram and hit that subscribe button on here. Enjoy the rest of your night, guys. We're heading out.